Hey guys, today on Everyday Living with Simply Mercy, we are making cinnamon baked apples for breakfast. Let's get into it. The first thing I'm going to do is core my apple, and I'm just using a sharp knife to take care of that process. Now listen, if you do not like your apples whole, you can cut them in slices, and you're still going to get the same delicious tasting apple. Since I do not have an apple core, I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to twirl it around to make my opening wider and to remove the seeds. Now we're just going to peel our apple and we'll be ready to make our filling. Now we're going to take some melted butter and drizzle in our casserole dish. I am working a little bit backwards. However, we're going to get some butter in our casserole dish and then we're going to add those apples back down. We have made our filling and now we're ready to stuff our apples. And this is the consistency that you're looking for. All we have to do now is just stuff those apples. We're going to take the remainder of our filling and we're going to add a little bit of apple juice just to loosen it up a little bit. And we're going to rub the remaining of this filling on top of the apples because we want that seasoning to be inside and out. Add your apple juice to your casserole dish, cover with aluminum foil, and we are ready to put them into the oven. Take a look at our apples after 30 minutes. Now we're just going to ladle some of those juices all over our apples. And now I'm going to turn my oven up to 400 degrees and we're going to bake them uncovered for 15 minutes. Take a look at our finished product. Guys, they smell amazing. And look at that color on them. Absolutely beautiful. Let's go ahead and plate us some up. Guys, these baked apples alongside some cinnamon raisin toast, it's just like having a perfect pastry for your morning breakfast. Baked apples are so delicious and comforting. It's a dessert, or you can just serve it for breakfast. Like me, I like to have them alongside pancakes or just with some raisin toast. And I most definitely got to have me some of that sauce on the side to dip my bread in. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.